Hello everyone, I'm Raditya Adi Prayoga. Here I will review the film entitled Agak Lain. The Indonesian film industry returned to coloring Indonesian cinema at the beginning of February. A comedy movie directed by famous comic director Muhatli Ako entitled Agak Lain has been broadcast since Thursday, 1 February 2024. The movie Agak Lain stars Boris Bokir, Indra Jegel, Benedion, and Oki Rangga. This story begins with a podcast of four comics which was adapted into film by Ernest Prakasa and Dipa Andika. The film agak lain tells the story of four friends who manage a haunted house at night market. The house is empty of visitors and neglected. As a comedy genre film, in my opinion, agak lain success in carrying out its function very well. You see, this film success in making the audience laugh from the beginning to the end of the film. This is because Agalan is a film that is purely a comedy genre. Meanwhile, the horror elements in this film are also only used as a trigger to make the story more interesting. In fact, the horror element were then used as new material for comedic moments in the film, which again success in inviting laughter from the audience. This also makes some of the jokes feel like dark jokes, which still feel funny without offending certain parties. The jokes that are present in this film can also be said to be typical of comedy that occurs in everyday life so that most viewers will relate. In fact, even though there are jokes that are political or relate or religion, the delivery still feels very funny, can be understood by all audience and also does not seem offensive at all. Of course, humor can also be obtained thanks to the performance of the four actors. They are not first-class dramatic actors, but years of the togetherness as a team has proven to have fostered chemistry. So when dialogue feels like an act of exchange between people who really know each other's habits and characteristics. However, it must be admitted that the development of the plot has not been optimal. Rather than focusing on exploring the conflict while occasionally throwing in humor, the script often stops for too long on skits that have no connection to the main story. That's why the duration swells to nearly 2 hours. But the shortcoming above don't change the fact that Agak Lain is a fun and unique treat, a comedy and genre whether intentional or not. Agak Lain is a film that has a duration of almost 2 hours. It's quite long, but I didn't get bored. Every minute feels flawless because I, as a viewer, are always give something, whether story progress, character development, or horror, comedy, and drama scenes that appear alternately. In the end, Agak Lain is a well-proportioned presentation and is well worth watching. If you need a show full of comedy that can entertain you from start to finish, Agak Lain will be a film that you should watch in cinemas in early February 2024. In my opinion, this film has a rating 9 out of 10. That's a little review from me. More or less, I'm so sorry. Bye bye.